This is not a performance. This is not fashion. This is not spectacle. This is not controversy. This is memory. This is identity. This is continuity. Welcome to Umhlanga, the Zulu royal reed dance. A living tradition, a sacred gathering, a declaration that a people still know who they are. Today, we journey together, not as tourists, not as critics, but as witnesses. From the royal homestead of Kwahangala Monkengane Royal Palace to the ancestral grounds of Enyokeni Royal Palace. This is the story of dignity, told through song, movement, and belief.
To understand Umhlanga, one must first understand the Zulu people.
The Zulu nation is built on community, discipline, and respect. Respect for elders, respect for ancestors, respect for self. Long before modern states existed, Zulu society developed systems of governance, morality, and education, not written in books, but lived through custom. Culture here is not optional.
It is responsibility.
To belong is to participate.
To participate is to remember. Umhlanga did not begin as a festival.
It began as protection.
In Zulu tradition, reeds were harvested by young women to reinforce royal homesteads, physical symbols of care, service, and collective duty. Over time, this act evolved into a ceremony celebrating maidenhood, self-discipline, and moral clarity. The reed dance is not about restriction. It is about choice, choosing respect, choosing responsibility, choosing identity. At Kwahangala Royal Palace, the journey begins quietly. Preparation here is sacred. Girls wake early. Elders observe. Mothers guide. Nothing is rushed. Every bead, every rap, every song has meaning. This is not costume. This is language. The journey forward is not just physical, it is moral. Each step toward Enyokeni is a step deeper into belonging. One of the greatest misconceptions surrounding Umhlanga lies in the traditional attire, specifically the bare-chested dress of Zulu maidens. Let us speak clearly. In Zulu culture, nudity is not sexuality. It is truth. The uncovered body symbolizes honesty. Nothing hidden, nothing exaggerated, nothing performed. It is a declaration of purity, not exposure. To judge this attire through foreign moral frameworks is not cultural critique, it is cultural imposition.
The problem is not the culture.
The problem is the lens. Much of the stigma surrounding Umhlanga has roots in colonial history. African bodies were misunderstood, misrepresented, and often shamed. Traditions were labeled primitive. Confidence was labeled indecency. These narratives did not disappear, they evolved. Today, Zulu women still face judgment for proudly practicing their heritage. But culture does not need approval to exist. It needs protection.
Crowd ambience builds.
Enyokeni Royal Palace is not just a destination.
It is a spiritual center.
Here, thousands gather, not in disorder, but in harmony. Songs rise. Feet strike the earth.
Voices become one. The Zulu king receives the reeds, not as ownership, but as trust.
Trust that culture will continue.
Trust that values will endure. Umhlanga honors women, not as objects, but as anchors of society. Zulu womanhood is strength guided by discipline.
This ceremony says to young women, you are seen.
You are valued.
You are responsible, not ashamed.
This is ours. To the global audience watching,
You are not asked to imitate this culture.
you were asked to respect it.
Cultural diversity is not dangerous.
Ignorance is. Acceptance begins when we stop judging traditions through fear and start listening through humility.
Modern life moves fast.
But culture moves seed. Umhlanga survives because it adapts without surrendering its soul.
It teaches young people who they are before the world tells them who to be. As the sun sets over Enyokeni, one truth remains.
The Zulu people are not performing their culture.
They are living it. Not for cameras. Not for approval.
But for continuity. Umhlanga is a reminder that identity survives when it is practiced, and dignity survives when it is defended.
Thank you for walking this sacred journey with us.